Okay, we're back in the east attic again, and it's for the HVAC indoor air handler this time. Our gas piping is improperly routed directly over the work path. That is our secondary drain going out on that side. I'm not seeing any soffit baffles on our insulation over here. Coming over here, our furnace, again, we do not have a sediment trap for our gas supply. We do have an installation instructions, carrying use manual. It's pretty held up over here. Again, manufactured 2019, so it's 25, that's 6 years old, 6 years old. We've got a shallow evaporator coil, we've got a shallow P-trap, and we're missing our cleanout cap. See, this is a vent pipe. So you don't feel anything on that. Feel the air coming out of here? That's air that's supposed to be air conditioning your house. We're supposed to have a cap over this, and we're supposed to have a trap. We don't even have a trap over here. No trap, no clean out. We do have a little bit of insulation. This is supposed to stay open. Some kind of a dehumidifier or something, climate control thing. And it drains over here to the clean out, and they don't commingle, and that's all fine. 2019. Okay, then our light's supposed to have a cover on it. Our light's supposed to have a switch. Remember the last time? We're not supposed to be kinking our air duct. We're not supposed to have more than ½ inch sag in our air duct. Not supposed to be kinking our air duct.